Hey guys, Dave here, coming at you with another idea from Easy Country Cooking, some easy one-pan 30-minute Mediterranean-style chicken. So simple to make, another great midweek meal. You're gonna love it, so will your friends and family, so let me show you how to do this. As in many cases, we're gonna get started here by adding about a tablespoon or two of oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Then in with about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cut into cubes. I do suppose you could use thighs too. Actually, I like thighs a little bit better, but I only had breasts on hand. Season it up with about a teaspoon of salt, another teaspoon or two of the old ground black pepper, another teaspoon of dried rosemary. I just love dried rosemary. And fresh rosemary is even gooder. And the same amount of thyme. Now we'll just give everything a stir around until that seasoning completely coats the chicken. And we're going to fry this up over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until that chicken becomes brown and cooked through. So you want that chicken just brown, and I can smell that seasoning coming through right now. And there's something very distinctive about rosemary and thyme as it's frying up. So good. You can let me know in the comment section below. Okay, now our chicken is browned up. We are going to go in with 3 cloves of garlic. And you know me, I just gotta have garlic to everything. Saute this for a couple of minutes until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Oh, by the way, guys, we have introduced memberships, and it's stuff like different perks, pro tips, behind-the-scenes stuff, different emojis. Cool stuff like that. It kind of helps out the channel, so if you're remotely interested, give it a shot. Now in with about 3/4 of a cup of pitted black olives. You can use green as well. I just like the black. They're a little milder. A few artichokes, totally optional. And one of my all-time favorites, some sun-dried tomatoes, and this is about 2 or 3 tablespoons, but I really like sun-dried tomatoes. Once again, grab up the trusty old spoon and stir everything together until it's nicely combined. Oh, by the way, guys, we are settled in the new house and I'm thinking about doing an updated video. Let me know in the comments section if you think that's a good idea. So after about 3 to 5 minutes, we are pretty much done, guys, and doesn't this look good? And it is so simple. So easy. Another great midweek meal. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and serve this up over some brown rice. You can use white rice, even, I don't know, mashed potatoes or baked potatoes, whatever you got on hand. But just look at this. I don't know, in my humble opinion, this is looking ever so good and just about, well, no, actually not just about, it is edible. Of course, to make it all pretty light, I gotta garnish this up with some fresh parsley. You can use cilantro as well. Parsley's just a little milder. But there it be, guys, our Mediterranean / Greek style chicken. Oh, you're gonna love this. And I mean, you grab this off and bite into it. It is ever so good. The chicken is tender. I love that rice, and those ingredients just flip you over to the Mediterranean. Just simply a must make, guys. And if you do make this, drop us a comment, and most of all, subscribe. And if you're so inclined, give us a like, because it does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe, and we'll see you next time.